I am back with another BTS K-pop album unboxing. So, Kobe dropped in March, Hope on the Street, his OST album for his documentary, and RM dropped in May, Right Person, Wrong Place, and of course it takes a while for my things to make their way to me from Coco Dive, but I have it now. Let's unbox. I got this 2-3 days ago. Today is 22nd June. That is 2-3 days ago. Let's get into it. Insects got them lost here. I don't even know how. Where do I even start? You know what? I'm going to start with Hobie. Cards. Let's open that up carefully. What do they call this thing? Where do you tie this? I love the branding on this album. I know people made a fuss about it. I don't care. Like, I love the way he prepared this. There's something so pleasing about this. Oh, photo cards. So we have that. Oh, this is kind of like, I don't know how they call it, but yeah, there's that as well. Oh, the same thing we had for D-Day. I didn't even realize what I was holding. You know, the card thingies. We had this for D-Day, yeah. So this is cool, and they seem stronger than the one from D-Day. I have worn out my one from D-Day, so definitely gonna swap these out. Red one. So again, I think this will be more of the same. I'm getting out, if you can see. Stickers. I love them. Yeah, this was cute. Okay, now let's do Right People, Wrong Place. I bought the Weavers option as always, and I bought all 3 versions. So I'm gonna start with the little things that come with the Weavers options. So let's start with this. There's something about it. The doodles thing, I really like that. Still a postcard situation, eh? Because you can, yeah. Oh, alright. Hold you for life. Put the cards inside. I really love this doodle. Okay, it's like a hard card situation. Could it be a mirror? So whatever that is, cool. This little thing is this golden heart. It's really cardboardy, and not much like is inside. A photo card, the CD. I don't know, I didn't see this photo card, the Weavers thing. I did not see this one, but my god, that looks good. Book situation. It's a lyric book. Why do I feel like this feels like almost a vinyl package? Because this is such a huge ass lyric book. I like, for some weird reason, the paper this is printed on. It just feels, I don't know, it feels like paper when paper was paper. I don't know what to say. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We have huge ass posters. Not one, not 2, and hold on. Huge ass posters. Huge ass posters. I don't know. And the back and front. So we have back and that. And that's 1. And we have 2. Oh Lord. He was being really goofy, yeah. 2. Siri. Oh, you didn't see this. Okay, I just see that. So what? Oh Lord, this one is even bigger. Like, this one is even bigger. Whoa. What's your there?
Everything I desire, I go receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get sour, I'm on go down. I go just para, I'm on my jigger. I go just.
And that, and then you have the bigger one, this, and then the CD and the reverse thingy. So this one we have this, God, this hair color I did not see. In fact, June rocked this boss girl. This is
good. She got my back. I'm happy that.
This album perfectly encapsulated him, and I'm done with this unboxing. Let me now take my time to look at them and pack it up. This is a very long ass video. I don't know how I'm going to edit it, but yeah, it's been real. Muse is coming soon and I'm gonna have to buy that. Send me money. Bye.